Hi, my name is Riley. I work here at Next Advance, and today I'm going to be talking about bullet blender contact plates. There are two models that use two different types of contact plates. Those include the Storm Pro and the 24 Gold. There are two different types of tubes used on these contact plates: Rhino tubes and Eppendorf tubes. As you can see, the Rhino tubes are slightly taller than the Eppendorf tubes. In order for these samples to fully be secured while still being able to bounce around, you have to have two different thicknesses from two different contact plates. Today, I will be switching from the Rhino plate to the Eppendorf plate. In order to replace your contact plate, all you have to do is unscrew it with a Phillips head screwdriver. Then firmly tighten the appropriate contact plate onto the instrument lid. Once it is secure, you may place your tubes into the bullet blender, close the lid, and press start. The same process can be used on the 24 Gold model. The contact plate is located within the sample plate lid. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us, and thank you very much.